Talking about the bariatric surgery, actually it's a weight loss surgery for the treatment of obesity. In Pakistan, obesity is one of the main disease which has prevailed for the last so many years because of the sanitary lifestyles of our community. So there's a misconception that the liposuction and tummy tuck are the obesity surgery. They're actually the body contouring surgery. Bariatric is proper weight loss surgery. There are two types of bariatric surgery. One is the restricted one and other is the malabsorptive one. In the restricted type, we just restrict the intake of a patient. And in the malabsorptive, we make such changes in the anatomy of the patient in which the whole food he or she takes get malabsorbed. It's not properly absorbed, and so eventually leading to the weight loss of the patient. For the last few years, the bariatric surgery has also been promoted as a surgery for the treatment of metabolic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and other hormonal associated problems. So nowadays it is also the main standard or the gold standard treatment of diabetes type 2, in which weight loss is also suggested to the diabetic patients.